Okay, here's the two that we did in class, and I wanted to do them just so you guys have some more practice on this if you needed it, okay? This time we're given the probability statements, all right? And it looks a little different on your Go formative, but the then and the tree are down here on this one, okay? All right, so this one, our sample size is 200, so remember that is your total. And I know that the probability of blue is 84 out of 200. I know the probability of male is 64. My total males is 64. And now I could figure out females has to add to 200, right? Not 100, no, just 136. All right, and I know that blue plus not blue has to be 200, so this would be 116. Now let's go for some other numbers. Okay, so I'm going to look at this next. So this tells me probability of female given blue. Okay, so this says that out of all the blues, 48 females, 48 of them are females, okay? So out of all the people that like blue, 48 are female. So that's going to give me 48. And then it has to add to 84, remember? So that will be 36. And then I can figure out my other numbers too just using subtraction, and I think that you guys are getting that by now. So I'm just going to go ahead and write that in. This is 38 and this is 78. Okay. All right, now we got to fill in, I guess we're not given all the probability statements. We got to fill in this stuff too. Maybe pause it and see if you can get it. Probability of blue given female. So my denominator is all females, which is 136. And how many of those 136 females like blue? It's 48. Okay, here we have probability of male and blue. How many males like blue? And remember, the and ones are out of the total. What's the total? 200. Okay, this one is going to be male or blue, okay? So how many total males do we have? There are 64 males total. And then how many total blue do we have? We have 84 total, okay? So we have to start thinking about like what we're going to add together to get this. So to get 64, it was these two added together. And to get 84, it was these two added together. So do you guys see how like the males was 36 plus 38? And then the blue was 36 plus 48. Okay. Oh wait, I have that wrong. I wrote 36 plus 36. Okay. So again, 36 plus 38 is equal to the males. And then the 36 plus 48 is the blue. So when I did that, I counted the 36 twice. Don't count them twice, okay? Just count them once. So my probability of male or blue is this, and we can review that a little more in class if you guys want to, but that is going to add up to 122 out of the total. Okay? All right, and then down here for the Venn diagram, yeah, I can get it all on the page. Again, it looks a little different on your formative, but you'll be okay. So I'm going to choose what my circles are, okay? So I'm going to choose blue, and I'm going to choose male. All right, so I'm going to make one blue, and I'm going to make one male. And I always start my Venn diagram in the middle section. And I write the number that is true about both. Well, that would be blue and male, which is 36. And then I look at my male circle, and I know that the total is going to be 64. Right now I have 36 in there, so I would need another 38, or just the number that's next to it, right? Oop, running out of battery. Right there. now I'd look at my blue circle. My total for blue should be 84, but I only have 36 in there. So I need how many more? I need 48. And I'm grabbing these numbers from the table. 36 plus 48 is 84. And now I've represented, remember, 3 of the numbers, 48, 36, and 38. The fourth number goes in the corner. All right, for the tree, we got male and female. Okay, you don't want to do male and blue. One thing I'm noticing is with the tree, you just take like all of what's on, it's like the opposite of the Venn. You take all of what's on the side or all of what's on top and list it first. And then branch out to blue, not blue, and blue, not blue. And then write in the numbers. There's 64 males. There's 136 females. Of my 64 males, 36 like blue, 38 not blue, female 48 blue, 116 not blue, and done. Don't worry about the observations for the test, okay? All right, last one if you need it. This time we're given the Venn diagram, all right? So we are given, again, start the Venn here. That 47 must be F and R. F and R is female righties. All right, now I'm going to look at the whole R circle, which is all the righties together, right? So that means that the 43 are righties. Those 43 are not in the female circle, so they must be male. Let's get a total over here too. Okay, let's just go ahead and add that up. And give me just a second, guys. I'm gonna do something on my computer here. Okay, now let's worry about the 3. So for the 3, now we're gonna think about this whole female circle here. Right there, okay? And I know that I have 47 females that are righties, and that means that these 3 over here must be left-handed. Okay, and that's all the information that we're given right now. All right, so this is 50, and now I'm like, oh no, well, they gave us one other piece of information. The sample size is 100. And now I'm able to use subtraction as we've done on the last few and fill in all the rest of the stuff. And just make sure that it adds up, okay? And everything adds up nicely. All right, now we just have to do the tree and the probability statement and we're done. Oh, and we have to write the 4th number in for the Venn diagram. So which number is that? That's the number 7. Okay, so for the tree, we can't do like F and R, right? For the tree, you need to choose both things from the top or both things from the side. I'm gonna go male, female, and then left, right, total males, total females. How many males were lefty? That is 7. How many males were righty? That's 43. How many females were lefty? That's 3. And how many females were righty? That's 47. Okay, now let's just do the probability statements and we are done. Here we go. All right, probability of lefty. My total lefties now is what? It's 10 out of the total. Probability of male. That's 50 males out of 100. Don't reduce. Probability of females is 50 out of 100. Okay, now remember the denominators change with this line stuff, okay? This means probability of lefty given female. So my denominator is F. What is F? It's females. Of those 50 females, how many of them are lefty? 3. Maybe pause the video, see if you can do the next one. probability of lefty given male. How many males are there? That's my denominator. Of those 50 males, how many of them are lefty? That's 7. And now we're done with that one. Hopefully those 3 made sense. You're going to have one just like that to do on your own tomorrow. If you have any questions about these, come with those questions.